I will share the 5 most important reasons why your SEO is not working. And if you take care of these 5 things, I can promise you, nobody can stop your site from building organic traffic. Number 1, wrong niche. Most people start their blog or website with the wrong niche. Either they select YMYL, your money, your life niche, or they pick up a niche they can't sustain themselves writing on it day after day, week after week, month after month. If you pick up a YMYL niche, you will have to build an authority for yourself that Google can trust that you are the person who can write about this topic. Let's say if it is related to health niche, then you have to be a health professional to write about such topics. If you are not, the Google will find it hard to trust you on such articles. Another example could be finance niche. You cannot write on finance if you are not a finance person, if you don't hold degrees in finance, or if you can't show yourself as a finance person on the web. Because in both these situations, either somebody's money is involved or somebody's life is involved. You should be able to prove yourself that yes, either you are a doctor or you are a finance person and people can trust you. You just cannot pick a niche randomly and start talking about it. Google will never appreciate that. Number 2, wrong keyword selection. The most common advice I see on the internet is select low competition keywords with high volume, which is partially true. This can be a good advice if you're starting your blog, but it cannot be a long-term strategy. You will have to switch to topic-based research, topic-based keywords, because you need to build an authority on a particular topic. You have to find your topics and start writing every aspect of that topic. So do your keyword research based upon the topics, not on just low competition keyword. And when you switch to topic based keyword research, you will find high competition keywords, low competition keywords, and you have to write on both of them. It doesn't matter whether you will be able to rank on all those keywords or not, but you have to cover that topic comprehensively. Number 3, no link building. Yes, it is a dream situation if somebody tells you, okay, you don't need to do link building. But honestly, if you look around the websites, every good website, every authority website has a good backlink profile. And there is a reason behind it, because Google prefers sites with good backlink profile. And you cannot sustain yourself without building backlinks. I know link building is expensive, it's difficult, but you cannot run away from link building. You have to start somewhere. Use Harrow, use guest posting. You have to start link building. Otherwise, you will never be able to rank on competitive keywords. And competitive keywords are the keywords where the majority of the money lies. When you build organic links, understand why people link back to your site, why people link back to your article, because they really like the information you have provided. So Google understands this, that if a high authority website is linking to your article, is linking to your site, they consider you important. They consider your article, they consider your information as important. So Google automatically starts considering you as an important resource for that information. Whether you like it or not, but if you have a strong backlink profile, it makes you somewhat future-proof to some extent with respect to new Google updates. So you can't ignore link building. Find out ways how you can easily get backlinks. Get yourself interviewed on YouTube, on podcasts, on online media. Find out the way how you can get backlinks. It's a creative work. It's just not all about money. You have to think creatively how to build backlinks. Number 4, content issues. By now you must have heard about helpful content update. So that shows that Google is looking at content very deeply with a very keen eye. You just can't put out average content and expect to rank forever. You might get few rankings, but eventually one update or the other will pull your rankings down. You have to churn out quality content. And yes, don't just rely on AI. Don't try AI generated articles unless you are editing it heavily or personalizing it with original photos or videos. Straight away AI content is a recipe for disaster. Yes, you might be thinking, okay, you have seen many screenshots with AI sites. There's a huge upstick, and why can't your site cannot have a huge upstick with AI content? See, you need to understand that when there is a huge upstick, people share screenshots. But when eventually they get hit by Google update, nobody is going to share that screenshot. This is the harsh reality and you need to understand that. So no compromise on quality content. And lastly, number 5, Google updates. Yes, a lot of people don't understand what Google update is all about. There are so many Google updates coming up every month, but most people don't get the time to understand what these Google updates are all about. If it's a helpful content update, you need to go and see the documentation, what exactly Google is telling you, what is helpful content according to them. Understand those things, tweak your content accordingly. Don't wait for your website to get punished by a Google update. Be proactive and make changes slowly into your website whenever a Google update has come. And if you feel that you are not in accordance with the Google update, start making changes. In the past 1 year or so, most of Google updates have been around helpful content update, EEAT, product review updates. These 2-3 concepts, you need to be very clear what these are all about. If you master these 3 updates, if you understand these 3 updates properly and make changes accordingly, I can assure you, you will be safe with most of the Google updates. If you want to learn more about how to select a niche, what is a helpful content update, check out these 2 videos. And also comment below which of the above points are your weak points and how you are planning to overcome, or are you facing any difficulty to overcome these points. Let me know in the comments.